We got our canoe, and we got our fridge, and trash can, bike, and everything. So, it's a clean porch. Our freezer is almost, let's see if we can see that, 18.2. Waiting for snacks. Mmm, that's good. Bread and butter. Yum. Got corn, potatoes. We got 13 pounds of Idaho Golds. Some baby food. Lovely wife playing her piano. We got a little pickup to do over here in the living room area, so we'll work on that. I think these dogs want to eat, so we'll get that done. Hi, Wiggle Boy. You having a good time with your doggy? Nice.
Don't pull it.
Well, it's Saturday morning, and it looks pretty calm out there. We've got just the grill and a chair to bring in here.
He's coming.
You coming outside, Wiggle Boy? This? Alright. So it's Sunday, and we're starting to get a little bit of rain. Just gonna go out and go for a walk, but it seems a little. We get squalls that kind of roll through. It's not crazy, but it does get kind of crazy. So. Well.
That water?
There it is. Started up just a couple of minutes ago. Wow. No real wind yet. You can see we'll keep an eye on that palm tree. But you can see it's starting to come down pretty good. So we got the grill tied down. Starting to get a little bit of water here. Not sure. I think it's going to drain around fine. Hard to say. My beautiful garden. Hoping that that oak tree doesn't come down on the house. But should be okay. More to come. Alright, we've got a little bit more wind and some rain. Starting to get a little bit of saturation here, a little bit of a breeze.
Oh, I didn't get any soap. Ready? Oh, that wasn't very good. Ready?
12:01, and we just got a big flicker. So anyways, I'm not sure you can hear this, but everybody is gone to bed, and we have the lights on still outside, but the hurricane has changed tracks and has decided to sort of come straight down the street here. Hurricane Irma is passing straight over Apopka at this point. But, well, I guess you can see a little bit of rain there. Pretty cool. We're out here, it's about 2:15 a.m. and we're getting the eye of the storm right now, actually. I think you can probably hear it. You can see the grill. Still here, strapped down. And we got, that's the backyard there. So Hurricane Irma. Still getting some gusts through, but feeling very lucky this morning. Kind of started to ruin. Actually, this is the only damage we have is right here. So we'll rebuild.
Show you Christian's sleeping arrangements last night in the safe room. I crashed here for about an hour.
So we're just gonna, this Irma is over. So the next step will be cleaning up. You see my, well, I don't know if you can see it or not. My potatoes were stinky. I don't know why. I think there must be a rotten one in there. But anyways, stinky potatoes, clean up the yard, and then maybe we'll grill some chicken.
Shovel.
Want to be sensitive to all of the folks that lost a lot more than we did, but feeling very blessed today, and thanks for watching.